Alright, we're back at fastesthotwheels.com. This right here is our first Matchbox car that we're showcasing. It's a 2000 model 1956 Ford pickup with the Texaco emblems. This car is smoking fast down the track. We just picked it up at a flea market, brought it home, raced it against a bunch of our cars, and it is really fast down the track. This car is top 5 out of our extensive collection of cars. That's how fast it is. So we're going to put on the track and show you guys how this car flies down the track. Alright, so we're going to race this Matchbox truck against some really fast cars, and you can see just how fast it is on the track. We got some faster than evers in lanes 2 and 3. In lane 4, we have one of the race aces. And in lanes 5 and 6, we have 2 cars with those high-speed racing wheels. So all the rest of these cars have the nickel-plated axles and the fast wheels. And you'll see how fast this pickup truck is. Alright, let's race. Winner in lane 1, the Matchbox pickup.